nice meeting you.
Thank you very much.
We'll be in touch.
Okay.
Hey.
Yes? May I help you?
Yeah, I heard y'all niggas is hiring. What's up?
Oh, yes. Here, why don't you fill out this application?
Making me right and shit. If I was white, wouldn't be making me right.
Well, actually, originally I'm from the East Coast. But after my master's, I thought I'd take a break. So here I am. I was tired of living off of daddy.
Age, 19, height, 6 deuce, baby. Father's name, I don't know. 6. Hell yeah, nigga. Salary desired. $3 million. Cash.
You know, being an Ivy Leaguer can be such a leg up. You know, I spent 5 years at Harvard.
Oh, really? I just spent 6 months at county. Anybody ever try to take your man who... Then he sees the warden coming, so he hides you, but you still got that plunge in your ass. So you just squeal and cry. Don't you hate when that happens?
Oh, let's get out of here. He's crazy.
Hey, where y'all going?
Lock Dog, Mr. Lope Dog?
That's me.
Oh, you're next.
Mr. Lock Dog?
Hey, what's up, baby?
Yeah, right.
You all right?
Yeah, no.
All right, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Energy, eager man.
Yeah.
Yes, I like that. Right this way.